Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And update, I guess, is the right word, but it's kind of not the right word because there's nothing really new to report, more so just kind of point out levels that I talked about from previous videos, particularly on Tuesday. They definitely did play a role in today's price movement. And the first level that, essentially got confirmation that is indeed a level of resistance is up here at $1.27. Price didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree. Got pretty close to that red line up there, and that is ultimately where the price ultimately rolled back over. And, so from that point of view, $1.27 certainly been confirmed as, more so that overarching key level of resistance to watch going forward. And then, unfortunately, the price on that pullback also fell right back below $1.15, which was that red line right there. So I would agree that $1.15 as a level of resistance, did get weakened up today. But even though I would consider it a weakened level of resistance, it is still got to be considered a level of resistance nonetheless, especially when you factor in that essentially all after noon long, the price tried to get back above that level. And you can see that $1.15 after the price fell back below it, went right back into, holding down the price again. So sure, $1.27, which we talked about, is definitely still a level of resistance. But before you start, putting any focus at all on doing battle with that level, as the chart has told us this afternoon, that first key step now becomes getting back up above $1.15, and then you can turn your attention back to that $1.27 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, this is definitely where some good news comes into play because none of the key levels of support are even close to being tested. You have the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average. And even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay above it. And like I said, price didn't even come close to testing it and then still have this level down here at 97 cents. I'm not going to discuss the importance of that. If you're curious, you can just go back in the video archive and watch past analysis videos I've done. But point being that it's important, and the price, once again, hasn't even been close to testing it. So it's not like it was a total disaster of a day, just a little bit disappointing that, the day started off with a breakout, and then after the breakout rolled back over, the price never could quite get back above $1.15. But still a couple days left this week, so we'll see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.